Hello everybody, today it's me Pierre Farrugia and today I'm going to review a tool for the outdoors. Or is it a piece of art? But let's combine them and you end up with the skeleton bushcraft knife. Look how beautiful it is. As you can expect, high quality steel, high quality cowhide and all handmade and comes from Ukraine. The knife comes in this beautiful crafted leather sheath. It has its logo on it, Beaver craft tools, and it's very robust and beautiful to see. The craftsmanship even of the stitching is top notch. At the back we have a belt loop, very convenient. And then the front we have a latch. You open like this, the knife comes out very easily. You can do it one-handed. You close and like this you have the knife. Now let me show you the knife. Remember, this is the Beaver craft. I have the logo here. Look at the finish, how beautiful it is. And this is skeletonized tang knife. So you have the edge here, a very sharp edge. It's made from, let me check, 1066 high carbon steel, which is excellent for edge retention. I can assure you that the finish is very good for rust, because my knife never had problems. The other one, it has a very good thumb rest here and a finger groove and thumb rest, so you can use it very easily to carve something like this. Is only by the thread. The hose here, apart from making it lighter, it's better, so when it's wet, one have a better grip of the knife. Some specs about this knife: have a total length of 2 to 5 millimeter. The blade is 85 millimeters. The width is 37 millimeters, and it is an 8 millimeter thick. So it's a very strong knife. Let me show you how easy it is to use the sheath one-handed. So this is how it stays on your body, or how close to your body stays. Then you have the toggle here. You just flip it, you grab the knife like this, and you can use it. This is the sheath, how it is. To put it back, you just put it inside the sheath like this, and with one hand you can just close it. Couldn't be more easy than this. Now I have some thick rope, or a 10 millimeter rope, and let's see how it cuts. I can put my finger here, my thumb here, very secure, and just try it out. As if nothing. 1, 2, 3. Now let's try it out on some kindling. Piece of wood. Oops, I know it's thin. Let's prepare some. It's very hard wood. Last thing I wanted to use, if I can use it with a fire steel. And it's no problem as well. So, what is my verdict about this beautiful Beaver craft skeleton knife? I like that it's compact compared to my other knife. I like it, it's very well balanced, like this. You see how balanced it is. Mostly I like is this thumb placement here and this finger placement here. Gives me a very secure grip, and with all bushcraft knives from Beaver craft, they are like made for my hand, Istra. They are super good. And now a small final test, food prep. Let's check it out. If it cuts that rope so quick, I don't think it should be a problem cutting this. I think this one will be coming with me when I go longer trips because it's more compact and more light than the other knife. So now I can eat my apple. Well done once again, Beaver craft. I like this knife.